In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and delete message conversations in Microsoft Teams. Whether you sent a message with a typo, shared incorrect information, or just want to keep your chats organized, knowing how to manage your messages efficiently is essential. Let's go through this step by step so you can confidently control your communication. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once inside, navigate to the chat or channel where your message is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group chat, or a team channel, depending on where the message was sent. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the conversation thread to locate the message you want to edit or delete. To edit a message, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a few icons appear on the right-hand side. Look for the three dots or the More Options icon and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Edit. Once selected, your message becomes editable directly in the chat box. Make the necessary changes to correct typos, add missing information, or clarify your point. When you're done, press Enter or click the check mark to save your changes. The updated message will now appear in the chat with a small edited label letting everyone know the message has been modified. To delete a message, hover over it and click the three dots again. This time, select Delete from the menu. Teams will remove the message from the chat or channel, but keep in mind that a note indicating this message was deleted will remain visible for transparency. This is a useful way to remove mistakes while still maintaining the flow of the conversation. It's important to note that message editing and deletion have time limits depending on your organization's Teams settings, so acting promptly is recommended. By mastering these features, you can ensure your chats are accurate, professional, and clutter-free. In summary, editing and deleting messages in Microsoft Teams is straightforward. By hovering over a message, accessing more options, and choosing Edit or Delete, you can manage your conversations effectively. These simple tools help you communicate more clearly, correct mistakes, and maintain organized, professional chats. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take full control of your Microsoft Teams messages. Stay tuned for more practical tips to enhance your digital collaboration.